In this video we will learn how to do such work. Let's go. Hello again. Now I type any text. For example, I create LMTN news. I select all, Ctrl A, and I change color to green like this, or select a news. I change to orange like this. I select all now and go to object. I click to expand. OK. Press right mouse, click and click to ungroup. When I click to ungroup, we see each letter will be on its own like this. Undo. Now I go to here and click perspective grid tools, or click Shift P. This cube the color blue for this side and color orange for this side. I click to blue and go click hold here and perspective select all or click Shift V. I select L. I press to Shift and select LMTN and go here. I return to cube and click to this right green orange and select, click Shift and select news. Zoom in, click this. Select little bit there. Good. And now go to rectangle tools and click here, and you see this blue in cube and click here. And click here to gradient and click to edit gradient. This here after that I click here to arrange, send to back. I choose this color or this. Now for hide this perspective grid, I go to view, perspective grid, head grid, or click Shift Ctrl I or Command Ctrl I to mark. Now we see this is my design. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy in my video, and sorry for my English is difficult. Sorry.